how to grow a landscaping business with LinkedIn. So make sure you stay to the end, and I'm gonna provide a link on where you can actually find all the templates and everything else that we use to use this method. So basically, it's actually pretty simple as far as what to do, but how to do it is obviously a little bit more complicated. So what you want to do is go to LinkedIn, get Sales Navigator. You can actually get it for a month for free for the first month. You don't actually need Sales Navigator, but it'll allow you to scale a lot quicker than just the normal LinkedIn version. So imagine if you're a landscaper, one way of getting business would be going like door to door, flyers, things like that, like old school marketing, which I'm not actually against, but I have a better, easier way for you to grow your business and scale it past your home. Like you could literally run your hometown with this, like your zip code, and keep scaling zip codes and really, really scale a landscaping business. And I've never seen anyone do it this way. So what you would do is then once you're in Sales Navigator on LinkedIn, go to the search bar, and what you want to do is type in real estate agent. Okay, so you type in real estate agent. One second. Type in real estate agent, and then what you'll find on LinkedIn, I think there's over 700 million users in total, but for real estate agent, there is, who knows, probably millions, tens of millions. There's a lot of them. Okay, I live in Miami. There's a lot of them here. So you go there, and then what you want to do is start messaging them. Okay. And with that link I'm going to give you at the end of this video, you'll be able to check out the website, and you'll be able to see kind of the messaging that we use. But you want to be messaging them and basically you message them in a certain way to get them on a phone call with you. And then once you're on a call with them, you want to establish a collaborative relationship. So the way it would work is that every real estate agent in your area, what you want is for them, every time they sell a house, for them to give your information to the homeowner and say, this is the best landscaper in town, this is who you need to hire. And then the relationship that you have with the real estate agent is that they get 20% of every sale that you get from their referrals. Okay, so you see how this can scale really fast. Essentially in your zip code, you'll literally have all the real estate agents referring to you. Obviously you have to be good at landscaping for this to work, but let's just say that that's already known, right? Or you wouldn't be watching this video. So, and then you scale from there, and then you start moving to other zip codes, and then essentially it could literally get to a point where you're running your whole state, and you basically have an army of real estate agents referring your landscaping business. So it's really that simple. I recommend that more than door to door and handing out flyers. And if you want to learn more about how this works, go to infinitepartnershipsystem.com, and that'll give you more information on exactly how to do the messaging and things of that nature so that you can get them on the call and how to do the calls. So hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.